stars, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Molly and welcome to my little slice of pie here on the internet. I'm so glad that you decided to click on this video, and if you do like it, I would love it if you leave it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite season. I don't know, something really random, but it is starting to warm up here, so it's reminding me of springtime and not winter. So let me know what your favorite season is. I know it's been kind of wacky weather for a lot of people this season, so let's just get into today's video. I have a pretty exciting one. I have an e.l.f. unboxing and also an Beauty project unboxing. So I did already open this stuff up because this e.l.f. box is quite the doozy. There was a lot of struggle trying to get this open. A little background, I used to order from e.l.f. all the time when I was in middle school with my best friend Gabby. Our parents would take turns ordering new makeup for us, and that was back in the day when e.l.f. was even cheaper than it is now. I thought I'd show you, do a little classic e.l.f. haul. It has been quite a while since I've ordered from them, and they packaged it so cute. Look at that. I love it. I've never seen them put quite this much effort into packaging before, so I really appreciate it. I think it's a cute step up. I spent, I think, $30, and I haven't ordered from them in a while because I've been trying to use up makeup I already own. Really excited. So you got free shipping over orders of $25. Or no, the reason why I ordered is because I wanted to try new makeup products. The second reason was there was free shipping on any order, and then over $25 you got 2 free gifts. So I was really excited to kind of splurge and see what I could get. Starting off, I got the clear brow and lash mascara, and I want this for my brows more than anything, but one of my best friends, Gabby, she uses this like on her lashes, or she used to, and she has like such beautiful dark lashes that it looked like she was wearing mascara, so it gives that similar effect. And I do have pretty long lashes, so I just thought maybe if I want to like have the feeling of mascara but not wearing it, slash for my brows, I thought it would be nice to try out. I think that was only like $2. I got the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer in the Universal Sheer color, and it also has a hydrating squalane in it. And I think this is their newer primer, and I was actually in the market for a primer, and I thought I'd try one that is a little bit cheaper. I think this was like $7 or $8 in comparison to a more expensive one like the Professional one by Benefit. I used to use that, but I ran out, so I just thought I would try something new. And I have pretty large pores, I've realized. I think it's genetic. I just thought I might as well try this out, not all the time, but for when I kind of want to. I'm trying to get it out to show you. So it's a pretty large size and seems pretty thin, but this is just what it looks like. So cool. I think they had a few different colors. Then I tried the Wow Brow Taupe Volumizing Fiber Gel, and right now I'm using the Wet n Wild brow mascara, and I love it, and I happened to just get it at the dollar store. I haven't seen it since. That's kind of how it goes with beauty products at the Dollar Tree, so I thought that I would try something similar to it and see what it's like. I think this was about $3 or $4. The last thing that I paid for was a new Classics palette, and I thought it was broken, but I think it's just something got gross in there, but none of the eyeshadows are broken, so that's good. But there's a ton of really beautiful colors, and this was, I think, $10, so I was not mad about it. This is just so pretty. Oh my gosh, of course that would happen. Here it is up close. I just loved the bottom row here. I think that these colors are so pretty. I'm all about the shimmers. I've also been wanting to try some matte colors, so there is a few in here, which I think will be nice. And I'm actually currently using an e.l.f. palette that I had back in middle school, and I kind of forgot I had it. And there's some really fun colors in there, like bright blues and greens, and I just did a green makeup look the other day. So fun. And makeup is just a fun way to express yourself, and I've been really loving it, so I thought I'd treat myself to something new like that if I wanted to maybe venture out from that palette. And my 2 free products that I got, first off is their cream eyeliner in black. Please do not mind all of the eyeshadow that's on my hands now, but I've never tried their cream eyeliner, and I've heard pretty good things about it. It comes with the brush, and I already have an eyeliner brush too, so if I need to use that, that's okay. I'm excited. I don't have any like eyeliner right now, so I think that'd be fun to try out. And then their Aqua Beauty Radiant Gel Lip Tint and Red Orange Wash. And I actually had 2 of these that I ordered way back when this line first came out, and they were all dried out, and I actually really like the payoff of this. It's really buildable and super cute, so I got this one. And then they have been offering free hand sanitizer, so might as well, you never know, throw it in your purse, travel bag, whatever it may be. And now onto my beauty products. So I also ordered this the same day that I ordered my e.l.f. makeup. I spent quite a bit of money on makeup this day, but I actually heard of this makeup brand. I've never heard of it before, but I heard of it through a mutual that I follow on Instagram, and her name is Jessie, and she just graduated from beauty school, so she does a lot of makeup looks and tutorials and stuff on her Instagram. I'll link it down below if you're interested, but she's really informative. And I saw these lip oils that she had in one of her makeup looks. I went to ask her what it was, and then I saw it later on in her story what they were. I went and ordered them right away. This was, I think I spent like $15 or $25 on both of these, and I love like Glossier and e.l.f. and Wet n Wild and stuff, so I thought I would treat myself to another more expensive makeup brand. They have a lot of different products to choose from, face care or skincare, and then also like eyes, lips, and face. I got this one really called out to me, like look at that packaging, so pretty. But it's their lip oil and glazed donut, and it's their extra glaze. I just love the makeup or the applicator. It's so pretty. Who knew that a brush could be pretty? But I just love the size of it. It really gets the lips. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. So that's the first one I got, and then I got another one because I thought I would try like a normal one, I guess, quote unquote normal. It's similar to the other one, but just a little bit more pink, and this one is in Froze. So number 3, this is just so pretty too, and I've worn both of these so far, and I love them both. They're awesome, and they smell really good. The oil is not super sticky, and I like that. I don't like a lip gloss that's like overly sticky, because then I feel like it's like lifting up and it just feels kind of gross, and it creates that film in your lips that a lot of lipsticks and glosses tend to do if they're cheaper. But this is a pretty good formula, and I'm very impressed. So thank you for staying around till the end of this haul video. I hope that you've enjoyed, and I have an e.l.f. affiliated link down below. I think you'll get $5 off your order. It's way at the bottom of my description box, so if you're at all interested, I don't even know what I get through that. I honestly put that in my description box so long ago. So if you do want to order from e.l.f., I would totally recommend it. They always have such good deals. They always offer like free products or free shipping. I love their products. They always come out with new stuff, so it's really fun. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just wanted to clarify that, but I love all these products and they're awesome, so I definitely recommend. I'll link all the products that I did order down below in my description box, so if something really stood out to you, it'll be linked down below, so you can just go ahead, click, and order it if you so please. That is it. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Shine bright. Bye.